Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the Safe Driving Now channel. I'm your host RL, certified driving instructor. We'll be going over quite a bit of driving skills on our channel that's going to assist new drivers to become safer drivers, or even learn the basics of driving and controlling the car or vehicle safely. First, I'm just going to go over everything as a regular driver, as if you were a regular driver. Then I'm going to break it down step by step so you understand how you should be able to move the vehicle away from a parked position at the curb, start driving, and so on. Okay? I'm just looking for a space to pull over to the right so I can start this video with you. And here looks like a nice spot right here. Okay. Okay. So guys, the first thing you do when you get into the car is you should always adjust your seat first. Okay? Adjust your seat. And then you adjust your mirrors left, center, and right side. After you've done that, you're going to buckle up. Okay? You're going to pull the seat belt and you're going to buckle it in. Okay. After you've buckled up, you're going to start your car. Some cars have a push button start, as this one does. Some have a key that you can turn, which is usually somewhere around there. You can turn it to the right, turn it forward actually, and you can start the car. Okay, I'm going to go over the basics with you, how you should start driving with leaving the curb correctly. So once you set up yourself correctly, you're buckled up, the mirrors are all set up correctly, you want to start driving. So first thing you got to do, you're going to step on the brake pedal, if you can see it down there. Then you're going to put the car into drive. Okay, then you got to signal your intention, whether you're going to be pulling away from the left side if it's a two-way street, and if it's a one-way street you can also pull away from the right side if you're parked on the left side. Okay, but for this video we're pulling away from the right side, so we're going to pull away with a left signal to pull away to the left, away from the curb. Okay, so right now the car is engaged. All right, I'm going to turn my steering one turn left. Okay, one circle turn left. Then I'm going to check over my left shoulder through that back window to check the blind spot. That's called a blind spot check. This post or pillar causes a blind spot on the left eye. So you want to make sure you can look around just to be clear that nothing's there. Then you check your left mirror right there. Okay. Once it's clear, you can also check the center mirror if you need to, or the right side mirror, just to make sure everything is clear on all sides. Once you're satisfied, we're going to pull away. So blind spot check again, left mirror check. In front of me I see a vehicle approaching, so I'm going to wait a second. Looks clear, so I'm going to gently pull away like this. While they're pulling away, once your right side mirror clears the side of the parked vehicle, you just turn the steering back to the right, one full turn, and then you straighten it up. It's called counter steering. So this is a two-way street. Three things come into play while you're driving: observation, steering control, and speed management. Spacing, very important when driving up and down the two-way street. So we're at an intersection. It's called an all-way stop right there. All that's required is one stop. You check left and right. Once it's clear, then you proceed with your crossing of that intersection. Okay, we'll go over that quite a bit throughout this lesson. Okay, now we're going to make a left turn at the light. So halfway up the block, you signal your intention to turn left. Always stay to the right in your lane. So now we're going to pull forward into the intersection. We're going to line up our left mirror to the center of the street on the left, in this case just about here, and we make this left turn. We're going to make a right turn at this corner. To make that safely, line up the right mirror near the edge of the curb. Then you start that turn around this parked vehicle. It usually puts you in your lane correctly, as you see, to the right. Always stay to the right. Now this is if you're driving these left-hand drive vehicles, or you're driving on the right side, as in the United States and Canada. I'm going to make a left turn. So this is an all-way stop. One stop, we check, pull forward, line up the mirror to the center of the street on the left. Then you start turning. A good speed to turn at is about 5, 6, 7 miles an hour. Okay, let's make a right turn here. Reduce your speed down to like 7, line up the mirror to the edge of the curb, and slowly bring the car around 5, 6, 7 miles an hour to make this right turn correctly. Once you get the car straight, you want to pick up the speed to a reasonable speed, which is I would say about 25 miles an hour, or whatever the speed limit is posted. Just below that is good in your city.